If you've ever wanted to add new features, creative tools, or time-saving effects to Photoshop, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you the modern way to install a plugin for Photoshop using the built-in Adobe Creative Cloud marketplace. This is the easiest and safest method because you can find verified plugins without digging through folders, copying files manually, or guessing where anything needs to go. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like, subscribe for more software tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop on your computer. Once it loads, look at the top menu bar and click on Plugins. This menu is where Adobe now puts many of the official add-ons and extensions for Photoshop, so this is the best place to start if you want a smooth installation. After you click Plugins, choose Browse Plugins from the drop-down menu. This will open the Creative Cloud Desktop Marketplace overlay, which is basically Adobe's built-in plugin store. From here, you can search for a specific plugin if you already know the name, or you can browse through categories to discover tools that fit your workflow. Take your time here and look through the available options. Some plugins are free, some are paid, and many are verified for use inside Photoshop. That means you can install them with more confidence and avoid the hassle of dealing with third-party files or risky downloads. Once you find the plugin you want, click Get if it's a free plugin, or click Buy if it's a paid one. Photoshop will then begin the installation process through Adobe's system. You may see a confirmation prompt asking you to approve the action, so go ahead and click OK to continue. After that, the plugin will automatically download, install, and configure itself inside Photoshop. The great part about this method is that you do not need to manually move files, unzip folders, or change any system settings. Adobe handles the setup for you in the background, which saves a lot of time and reduces the chance of mistakes. When the installation is finished, the plugin should appear inside Photoshop and be ready to use. Depending on the plugin, you may find it under the Plugins menu, in a dedicated panel, or as part of the Tool Zone interface. If you don't see it right away, give Photoshop a quick refresh or restart the app so everything loads correctly. And that's it! You've now learned how to install a plugin for Photoshop the modern way using the in-app marketplace. This is the fastest method for most users, especially if you want a simple install process with verified tools and automatic setup. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.